Yo, what up, guys? I'm back, giving you guys another update. My current value is at $21,840. I'm down $1,971, and earned dividends is at 247. So for this week or yesterday, the past 2 days, I did buy lows around 177. Um, area. If it gets to 174, I'll add a bit more. I just dollar cost average into it, about $50 put into it. And then Kroger, I bought around 42 area, and then around $37 I'll add more. um, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as this week. um, I did buy as well. I bought around, let's see here, about around 56 area. Could go to 53 area. I'll add a bit more. But yeah, just dollar cost averaging into it. Stacking up my cash, my buying power, just adding slowly as the market drops. Currently at $410 of buying power. And yeah, I think there could be a bit of a short-term bounce pretty soon, and then after that, probably drop some more. So yeah, just trying to be patient, dollar cost averaging, not getting aggressive right now. I actually still adding 350 every week right now, or around 250, 200. And I did up my portion last video, but I just not yet. I don't want to get aggressive yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.